Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the managing attorney here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law. And today I would like to answer the question, what are the downsides to filing bankruptcy? And this is a question that I get almost every day. What are the downsides? But first, if you would like any additional information regarding bankruptcy, please head over to hollinsbankruptcy.com where you can get a lot of great information. Give us a call at our number, 866-862-4557. Or if you just want to make an appointment, we have a website set up. It is bkmeet.com. That's bkmeet.com. It would allow you to set an appointment to speak with me at a time that is convenient for you. Now, on to the topic. What's the downside to filing bankruptcy? We talk a lot about getting a fresh start, which is a positive. We talk a lot about getting protection from the bankruptcy court to automatically stay or automatically stop foreclosures, garnishments, stop the harassing calls. We talk a lot about keeping your income, keeping your homes. But what's the downside? Well, there is a trade-off. If this is considered a downside to you, you may want to know that your credit report will report that you have a bankruptcy on your in the public statement section of your credit report, and it will be there for 10 years. So now that could potentially boost your score in that the 30, 60, 90 day lates and the no pays and slow pays are going to be covered up by the bankruptcy. Sometimes that boosts your score depending on your credit report, but it definitely could take it down as well. So that would be considered a negative right off the bat. Also, if you're looking to purchase a home, as of the shooting of this video, March 2022, the FHA underwriters are basically making you wait 2 years post-discharge from your bankruptcy before you can borrow money to buy a home. So if you're looking to buy a house sooner than later or sooner than 2 years, then that's something you also have to consider if bankruptcy will be a good solution for you. So I have spoken with folks who are looking to purchase homes, and what they've done is they needed to get the debt off them, stop the garnishment, whatever that is. So they went ahead and filed the Chapter 7 and got the protection of the court, understanding and knowing that they would, for the next 2 years, have to show great responsible credit use, which at the time that the debt was made, they did not have the mindset to do that. Post-bankruptcy, absolutely having the mindset to keep the credit good, knowing that in 2 years, you will have the opportunity to speak with an FHA person. Now, that I am not a mortgage person. You want to speak with your dedicated and relied upon mortgage person to understand the intricacies and ins and outs of how bankruptcy will affect any mortgage that you may be looking at. But just know that when the bankruptcy hits your credit, that is something that you may have to consider. What is another downside? Well, when you file bankruptcy, you may experience elevated interest rates in any credit cards or any financing that you receive moving forward until you are, again, showing good credit responsible credit use. So that also could be a negative. So these are a few things that I point out to my clients, to my potential clients, and I thought I would just make a video to let you know that these are some of the things that you want to also consider. Again, it is a trade-off in that you get protection from the court, you get to discharge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in debt, but the trade-off is potentially that your credit report will show for 10 years that you did file bankruptcy at the time that you filed it. Now, the actual reporting of the bankruptcy is not how long it actually affects you. And so that's kind of the point that I was getting at when it came to the mortgage. You have to wait 2 years. It may affect you in months, weeks, years, but not 10 years. The reporting will be 10 years, but the effect definitely won't be. So I hope this was good information. I hope you enjoyed it. I hate to come and and put a negative video out there, but this is information that people ask me all the time, and I figured you may want to hear it. And someone you know may need to hear it also. So if you don't mind, please like this video, subscribe, And also share this because someone you may know may need to hear this information. Well, again, I am attorney Michael Hollins with the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. Thank you for listening, and please be safe.